Starcraft II.
Download and install guide.
What is Starcraft II?
Starcraft II: Wings of Liberty is a science fiction real-time strategy video game developed and published by Blizzard Entertainment.
Is it a good game? How much does it cost?
Yes, it is. According to the survey, 94% of Google users liked the game. It's free to play.
Show me how.
First of all, we need a Battle.net account.
Google search Battle.net account.
Click on the link that leads to account.battle.net.
Click on Create a free Battle.net account.
If you already have an account, log in with your email and password.
Follow instructions on screen. You may need a mobile phone number.
Once you log in, your account screen should look like this.
Go to Games.
Select the Starcraft II icon.
Click on Play Free Now.
Your browser will download the Starcraft II setup file for you.
This may take a minute, depending on your internet speed.
When download is complete, click on the setup.exe file.
Please wait while the system is updating Battle.net.
This may take 10 minutes.
Once update is complete, you'll need to log in again. The email should already be pre-filled.
You can go with the default folder program files x86 or make your own.
Installation is starting. It may take 20 minutes to complete.
When installation is complete, click on Play. We're gonna take a look at the options. I'm going to click Campaign.
The next option is Co-op. I think this is where you and a friend do missions together.
Next up is Versus. This is where we can play against others, including humans and AI.
The first option is Training. You can practice here to get better.
Next option in Versus is AI.
Elite AI already? Don't we start with very easy AI?
Hold up, Tanko T. Have you been playing?
Yes, I admit I've been playing.
Well, you're much better at StarCraft than you are at chess.
Thank you, Stockfish. I'll take that as a compliment.
Next Versus option is Teams. There are 2v2, 3v3, and 4v4. You can play ranked or unranked.
Next is 1v1. This is where you can play against one opponent anywhere around the world. You can play ranked or unranked. This is where some of the strongest players in the world compete. The starting league is Bronze. The strongest league is Grandmaster.
Next up in Versus is Tournaments. Currently there is no tournament listed.
The next menu option is Custom. This is where players have custom maps and custom games that you can join.
Next up is Collection. This is where you can purchase digital items.
Finally, we have Replays. This is where you can watch replays of your games.
Where do we start?
If you're new to the game, you can start with Campaigns.
I don't really want to follow the storyline. I just want to get experience on how to win, climb up the ladder quickly, then earn money as a top gamer.
Tanko T, can you train us?
Sure, I can. Let's go to Versus.